Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Are you a Potterhead like me? You probably already saw the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter, which is the return to Hogwarts. To celebrate the 20th anniversary, what better way for me than to bake my way through this Harry Potter baking book? Of course, it has to be baking. There are so many interesting and delicious recipes to choose from. I don't know which one to try first. From about 40 recipes here, I've narrowed it down to 5 recipes. And if you want to help me choose, please let me know by commenting down below. Here is the official Harry Potter baking book. There are so many delicious and beautiful recipes, so please help me choose. And the first one is the wand breadstick. These are whole wheat breadsticks shaped like wands. So which style of wand should I make? The next choice would be the Quidditch Pitch Focaccia. This is a flatbread shaped like a Quidditch playing field. Doesn't it look interesting? And look, there's even a golden snitch. Our next choice would be Luna's Spectrespecs Cookies. These cookies are shaped like her magical spectacles. Aren't they cute? I also want to try Hermione's Beaded bag cake. This is a red velvet cake decorated to look like Hermione's magical beaded bag. It can contain so many things inside, even a tent. And finally, one more recipe I want to try is the mandrake bread. Mandrake bread. Twisted bread filled with candied cherries, chocolate chips, and nuts. Just to whet your appetite, here's some lightning bolt bread I already made. Did you enjoy that magical sneak peek? Subscribe now so you'll know which of the recipes was selected. So what's your pick? The wand breadstick? The Quidditch Pitch Focaccia? Luna's Spectrespecs Cookies? Hermione's Beaded bag cake? Or the mandrake bread? Let me know and then we'll bake it together. Post your comments soon so we can let the baking magic begin.